Today you'll be having one session from your senior, Bhavna MR. Currently, Bhavna is to fifth semester computer science. Let me introduce Bhavna. I'm happy to introduce her to you. I think her slide is visible and Bhavna is also visible to you. Right before 2 years, she was unknown to us. Now she has become a very beloved student of every teacher who takes classes for her. Initially, when students come here, we have a formal program, that is student induction program as per AACT norms, where we dedicate a day for the cultural performance of students. I still remember the day when she walked into the stage with the theme uh, act. It was skit based, song based act. She's known for her oratory skills. She's very good in doing MC, and honestly speaking, she's a continuous speaker. Quite active girl she is. Uh, she's fond of doing MC in all languages. Her special love towards Kannada is the one which I have noted. Uh, though she is mastered in all the languages and performances, very rare for today, that is today's generation with such a master over Kannada language. So she fits everywhere whenever we host any session. Very passionate dancer. Ever any competitions, she is there. This time also we had Chilume 21, where she was the active member, where she have participated in many. Definitely, if she is in, she'll take a certificate from there. When we approached her with the topics, she was keen to take VTU cultural activity, which she is going to present in front of you, which is quite important part of your journey over 4 years. So I'll not be speaking anything on that as Bhavna is going to describe you. Added on, Bhavna is having very good leadership skills. From very first year, she took the leadership of her class, and she was responsible throughout the year as a connector between the teacher and students. I think she continued the same in second year as well, as I have come to know from the branch teachers. She's a team worker, she's a team leader, and she's an all-rounder. Okay, so today you're definitely lucky to interact with Bhavana. You feel free to reach her for any queries. I know definitely the present generation is always having bunch of talents. You have a lot of exposure from your childhood itself to extracurricular activities, so you may be having a lot of inclination for the participation. So any kind of interaction you want to have it, you have it with Bhavana. And I'm handing over the session to her. Over to you, Bhavana. Have a good day, students. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Uh, I was not expecting such a great introduction for me, but thank you so much. And okay, before coming to my topic, I want to ask a little questions with you guys. Is it okay?
Yeah,
Yes. Okay, thank you. So, how many of you woke up at 7 o'clock? You can raise your hands. You don't need to unmute. Okay, how many of you woke up around 9 and were having their breakfast? Okay, fine. How many of you watched series during these holidays or whatever you got after the CET? Okay. Sorry guys, this is not at all relevant to my topic. I just wanted to grab your attention. Just wanted to bring you here. I know whatever. I mean, at an extent, how interesting may be the subject. After listening to half an hour, we'll obviously get lazy. I was the one, even I was a student, so I can understand you guys. And Madhu ma'am teaches very well maths. To be honest, in PU, I was like, no, I can't do maths, but in engineering, yes, it's nice. Believe me, engineering mathematics is very easier than PU, so please concentrate on your studies. And along with the studies, today I want to introduce to the VTU cultural activity. Okay, let me explain to you guys. You all have TV in your home, right? TV?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You also have remote for which you may quarrel with your siblings or your mother for the match and serials, etc. Do you?
Yeah.
Because I do it.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, same thing here. I want to say that the TV is your academics and the remote is the cultural activities. Yeah, you can run your TV without the remote, but if you have the remote at your hands, you can just change the channel with your in your hands. Not going. I mean, you don't need to go there and change all the channels, right? In the same way,
Yes.
here academics is the TV and the cultural activities are the remote. This is my opinion. Just to explain to you guys. Um, yes, this the TV academics is very important. You want it all over your career, your life, everything. You want it. You want to watch the TV. You need TV. You want to watch the programs. You need TV. But if you have your remote in your hands, the cultural activities give you the confidence or the confidence to go and speak in front of many people. Now in an interview you need to face the interviewers, right? You're in the engineering field in the final years or in the third year, you're going to face the interview panel. There, if you have that confidence to just to talk to them, it will be very very much easier for you to crack the interview and get placed into the company. When you come to the cultural when you participate into the cultural activities, you feel like, okay, I can dance, I can sing, I can perform in front of hundreds of people. When I can do that, why can't I face these three members or these five members in the interview? That confidence which you want will be given by these cultural activities to you. So you need that remote to facilitate your life. In the same way, cultural activities are also needed with the academics. Yeah, of course you need some fun, you need some enjoyment along with the academics, right? You can't go only with the academics. You have just completed your easy PU exams and tough CET exams, as I think. If any other inconvenience, please unmute yourself and tell me. I'll just stop there. And sorry for 5 minutes. Okay. So what I was talking about? Yeah, TV is the academics and remote is your facilitation or cultural culture. It's the cultural activities. So you can't go with the boring life. So you need, and along with the academics, you need cultural because it keeps you active. It gives you confidence. So let us now know about what VTU provides us with the cultural activities, or what are all the activities based on cultural or co-curricular activities are there in the VTU. Okay, let's go. Here, VTU organize various cultural activities. As I said, VTU is an university under which our VCET and many other colleges come. There, it is like the center point, center server, which tells us to organize everything. And under that, our colleges organize all the programs for the students. There are faculty members, our teachers, our lecturers. They work hard to organize all these competitions in order to cherish our talent or identify your talent. Like now, how many of can anyone tell me that I can dance now at this point? Can anyone tell me that you can dance? You can perform in the stage. Can anyone? Hello, guys. Okay, I'm damn sure after
Hmm.
you participating in the cultural activities, I'm sure you will get the confidence whenever anyone asks you again like this in this presentation. I'll get many voices saying that I can do it, I can do it. That confidence will be given by you participating in many cultural or co-curricular activities. Okay. In the starting I asked you some random questions, right? Just to say you that, I mean, just to bring you back to the presentation and tell you that this session will not be boring. It will be interactive, and you have to. I mean, I request you to say respond with yes or no. And also, we'll have so much of videos, so don't worry, you'll not get bored. Okay, let's go. So, NSS Day, Women's Day, Freshers Day, Talent Hunt, dance competitions, and other such activities. So, this is 20th VTU Festival Insignia, which had happened recently. Actually, we can say that it is the only VTU Fest which we got, our batch got, because then the COVID wave struck our educational system and we had to spend our whole educational life in the home. Everything was done. Then it was 1 year before in VTU Youth Fest Kala Surabhi. So these are the photos of that time. Okay. So here I have put three logos. One, VTU, Vishveshwaraya Technological University, Belagavi. It's the main university. It tells us to uh, to arrange the cultural activities, and it also funds us for the cultural activities and sports and together. Okay, so that goes to Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology. And here, if you're a as ma'am, if you're a class leader, think you are a class leader. Okay, you're a class advisor. You're in a lecturer position. You can't tell you. You can't. I mean, like this one, you can't tell that. Yeah, Harshita is very good in dancing. Yes, Ashwath is very good in singing. You can't do that, right? You need a class monitor or a class leader. He or she will ask with the students that can you dance, or if when we arrange any competition within the our college, we'll come to know that this person is very good at singing, this person is very good at dancing, or this person is very good at his orative skills, he likes to do MC or everything. As ma'am Shweta ma'am said at the starting, she came to know when they arranged all the stage for us, that if because they arranged a stage for us, I could go there and present myself, and I could tell people that I can speak. That was the stage, or that was the platform given by the VCET for me to show my talent. So here, as I said, now let us go from VTU to VCET cultural activities. And in VCET, we use Bhumika Kalasanga as a platform or as a pathway to search our talented minds, or to just to search your talent, identify your talent, to facilitate you with the platform, stage, and also, uh, yeah, give you a platform to come and perform, to cherish your talent. We use Bhumika Kalasanga. There you can register and also enroll yourself for different competitions. You also get many notifications about that. Is it okay? Am I fast?
No.
No.
Only Ashwath is speaking. Can anyone others reply?
No, no,
No.
it's
Okay,
normal.
thank you so much.
No.
Okay, there you can see
No.
one link, right? Everyone can see that.
Yes,
Yes.
That's the cells.vcet
Yes.
Puttur. I'm going a little bit far from my topic. It's a website. Wait, let me open it. Okay. So here we have this. Can you see the screen?
yes,
Yes. Yes.
Cells, yeah. The Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology. This is the cells page you are seeing, web page which you are seeing. Here you have Bhumika Kalasanga. Then you have Civil Service Exam, Student Info System. This is one web page you need to know. You have to go and you do one thing. After this session, you have free time, right? In that time, just type cells.vcetputtur.ac.in. Okay, cells.vcetputtur.ac.in. You just type it and see what are all the things that are there in our college. They have just channelized this platform just to show you, or just to tell you what are all the things that are there. And after some time, maybe in first year or second year, you'll get your USN. Then you can log in into any of these, and you'll get more information about. See, here we have all the cultural photos. cultural things. I'm sure after okay, whenever you get the chance, anyone from this audience will be having their photos in this Bhumika Kala Sangha. That's my expectation. Okay. So you all came to know about this cells.vcet.in, and then you how you can go for Bhumika Kala Sangha page, right? Did you get,
Yes.
or should I
Yes.
repeat?
Yes.
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 Okay. Okay, let's go back to our presentation. Yes. So this is link. Okay, now let me tell you some facts about Bhumika Kala Sangha, what it is. It's a cultural coordinator of VCET. As I said, you just can't decide that this girl is good in singing or this girl is good in dancing or oratory skills, everything. So we need a path or we need a channel to identify those things. Here in VCET, under Bhumika Kala Sangha, we organize many competitions, many events, many fests to identify children with the talents or just to cherish their talent. You'll get a platform. Yeah, there I can go and sing. And many people will come to know that, yeah, I'm there. And also, you'll get famous in your class group, like every teacher or every anyone, they'll say that yeah, she's good in that, she's good in this, and even you get famous in around your friend circle also. Okay, that was about that. Support students to co-curricular activities helps in, as I said, it helps to identify your talents and it provides necessary platform. That's what I said about. And then permit students to take part in intra-college and inter-college competition. That's where the VTU Fest comes. It's intra-college, intra-college, inter-college fest it is, where it will be that fest will be organized once in it will be hosted by different colleges. Last time it was hosted by the SDM College of Engineering and Technology, and previous it was another college. In the same way, you'll have many colleges where it will be hosted, and it's a fest where one way to enjoy or to bring back your enjoyment, to bring back your talent, to bring back your skills where you can show them. So this, to go there, you need to be identified by our faculties, right? For that, we use Bhumika Kala Sangha. It's handled by our cultural coordinator, Mr. Sudarshan sir and Dinesh sir. They are also the founders of this facility. When I had to present this topic, I asked Sudarshan sir about Bhumika Kalasanga, and he said that we needed a platform for students to register. We needed an app. So that's where this Bhumika Kalasanga, all those web pages came. They wanted an app to facilitate students, and now it's still handled by those two uh, lecturers. Okay. Okay, now about the achievement. As I said, we take part in every competitions, every events, everything, right? They have given the opportunities, and our students, my friends, they have taken the advantage of it. And in future, you also can take part in many fests, many competitions, and also you can have the advantage of all these things. See, for the excellent performance in cultural and sports, our college has won 1 lakh rupees cash prize. For the participation in the sports as well as culturals, we have won the 1 lakh rupees prize. For a college to get aided by 1 lakh rupees for the cultural is a big achievement. Not only in academics, even in the cultural, we are there. That's what the statement says. And every year we are taking, okay, there's a mistake. We are taking our students for Video Fest, and they have been performing marvelously. As of course, when you are given with the opportunity, you need to grab it. You will perform very confidently, as you have performed in our college, right? When you go there, you will have the experience of performing or participating in the competitions in our college. So obviously, when you go there, you will have like, okay, I have performed there, I can also perform here. That will be your mindset. So that's where the confidence comes. That's where the confidence will be carried in throughout your life wherever you want to present in front of people. As you're an engineering student, you will be In the final year, you will be placed into many companies where you have to give many presentations. Yeah, and like now I'm giving presentation to you, that chance may come to you in even in your study academic time only, when that confidence to present you in front of many people, that confidence will be, I mean, that you will acquire when you participate in small competitions. ಹನಿ ಹನಿ ಕುಡಿದರೆ ಹಳ್ಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ when you participate in small competitions, you will have the courage to participate or present you in front of many people confidently. Sometimes what happens, you will have everything in your mind, and nothing comes into your paper or into your mouth, mainly during Viva. I hope you have experienced that. Viva or exam time, you will read everything. But when you go into the exam, you'll get blank. Have you experienced that?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, in the same,
Yes.
that's what happens for many of the people due to sometimes due to lack of confidence. You will only think that I can't do that. I mean, I will forget everything, and that makes you forget many of the things which you have confidently learned. So, exposing you in front of many people gives you the confidence to crack any exam or crack any interview and face them with confidence. I'm repeating this sentence just because these things, confidence is the main thing when you want to face many people. That's my opinion. So I'm just stressing this. Okay. Now let's go to VTU youth festivals. What has happened? Let's concentrate on that. Okay. Here you have the video. From here, it will be me less talking and more of videos. Okay. Enjoy.
Okay, students, now the VTU different cultural activities is being presented. Since there is some problem with the voice, she has muted it. You can see the different cultural activities.
Yeah, as she said, again I'll play it if you want. This this was the insignia 2K19, the last video fest, and many celebrities were there. Most of our students who my friend Harithi, she had participated in this, and many of the seniors have participated in this. This was the act which bagged bronze medal in the folk dance competition. I'll give you the clear picture later. I don't know why the quality is very low. So they have very much fun. They have enjoyed all those things, and they say they have a positive feedback, and also the experience what they share with us is amazing. You need to listen to that. These are my friends and my seniors who have banked bronze medal. They are the bronze medal winners in the folk dance category, VTU Fest Insignia. They have got a bronze medal, and yeah, let's talk about this later. Let me go to the next slide. Here we can see that it's our Sudarshan sir and all the participants. This is Lata ma'am, and yeah, all the participants, they have wore such a great dress and heavy dress actually, and they say that dancing in that was very much enjoying as well as it was heavy. That's what they said when I asked them. Okay. Now let us go for the our another achiever, uh, Ms. Shama Pranamya. She's an MBA student and she has won 2 gold medals concurrently, once in 2019, also in 2020 in the classical dance category. Um, these are some of the bits of her performance. And here we have collectively all the participants who have won. This is herself taking the first gold medal. Okay. As I said, this was her taking the gold medal. Next, let us go to the Chilme. Chilme is very new to me also, because after first year, as I said, COVID wave struck us and we could not participate, or the college could not conduct many competitions. But even after the pandemic situation, when we got a little time free, they have arranged this Chilme. This even in the just recently they have arranged for us, and that was one moment we felt like we lived again. We have something left in our college life also. That was then. Yeah, that's me in the upper photo and my seniors in the lower one. And again, I have a neat video. Let me see if I can run it without any cut. Yeah, this was the yellow and the back dress. That was the first we attend in Nitte. So I wanted to say, why I put this to tell you that our college permits us to take part in other colleges where fests are arranged. We go there, we participate there, we win, and we come back. That's a level where our college permits us, facilitates us in the cultural activities. Okay. Yeah, these are some pics from my seniors which I have got, and surely they have had fun. Okay. Other cultural activities. Not only the video fest and all. As I said, in VCET we arranged many activities. Okay, this was the Freshers Day. Nice. I'll share you the video again. This here. Next, we have Scientia, Ganesh also. Many cultural activities which are being organized by our VCET for us, for our enjoyment, etc. I'll share you the video again. Okay. Let's come to the opinions and experience section. When I have said this much, you need to have some proof, right? Even in the advertisement, they say 99.9% and still show you some of the opinions by the teachers or someone like that. So here I have 2 videos again by one of my seniors, Mitsu Jasmine.
Hello all, hope you all are doing good and staying safe. I'm Mitsu Jasmine, alumni of this college, graduated in year 2020. Co-curricular activities plays a vital role in every student's development. Gone are those days when only academic programs were given high importance. Bhumika Kalasanga gives you a platform to showcase your talents. Every year, till COVID wave hit us hard, Bhumika Kalasanga used to organize 30 days, 30 events program called as Chilume. Dancing, singing, essay, elocution, clay modeling, face painting, drawing, cooking without fire, and whatnot. College also organizes events on special occasions such as Ganesh Chaturthi, Water Day, Engineers Day, etc. We have taken part in fests organized by other colleges. It's not just about participating, it's also about learning on how to organize events. I have participated in VTU Fest thrice and bagged medal twice. My friends, let me tell you, the confidence, the courage, the experience you get by participating in all these events will surely help you to crack interviews and lead a better life. Thank you.
She had beautifully said all her experiences. I shared this video also to you. And this is Yasha Gowda.
Hi everyone, myself Yasha and I am 2019 batch passed out from VCET and presently I am working as a hardware design engineer at Mistral Solution Private Limited. And regarding our VCT cultural events, as a Bhumika Kalasanga is a great platform to showcase our talent, and of course Chilume is a part of that. And when we are in VCT, we had a team called Natanantaranga. It's a drama team, and through that team we have participated VTU Cultural Fest, and it was a great opportunity. We can meet more people, more talented peoples from different regions of Karnataka, and yeah, it was a nice experience. Overall, it's a nice 4 years of experience in VCET, and my sincere request is who and all interested in acting, please take a self initiative and reopen the team Natana Taranga and grab your opportunity. Okay, thank you.
And even he has a beautiful experience of how her journey or his journey in the VCET, all the cultural activities about Bhumika Kalasanga and all the fest. Mr. Jasmine, our senior, she has attended 3 fests and she had bagged 2 prizes, which she had mentioned there. And many competitions are arranged during Chilme. All those things she has said about us. And here, himself, Yasha Gowda, he has said about Natana Taranga, one of the acting team which was there during his batch, and he has requested us to start again if you are interested in acting and all. So he has requested that in this. Okay. Now let me ask for a live interview. Dharitri, have you joined?
Yes, Bhavana, I'm here.
Yeah. So here I have Dharitri, Atish, and Praful. Okay, let me just check. Atish, are you there?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay. Praful, are you there?
Yeah, Bhavan, I'm here.
Okay, so both of them are my seniors and they are very supportive. Okay, now first let me ask with Dharitri. As I said, she was there in the video fest. She was in the first year she has went to the video fest. So I wanted to ask her experience. How was her experience in the video fest, and when she won the prize, how was her experience, and how were the our faculties where they were approachable, etc. About that, I wanted to ask her. Dharitri, can you share your experience with us?
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. I had taken session earlier, so you might be knowing me. And about the experience last video fest, still it was one of the best memories that I had created in my engineering life. And all my seniors, they were so good to me. They took care of me so well. Practice session in the ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಸೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ I have a small suggestion for you guys. If you get any opportunity to present yourself in the college level, like it might be the Freshers Day or any other programs, please showcase your talents. That is where you are noticed. Actually, lecturers won't come to you and ask you like what are you good at or what do you perform. They see all the talents when you perform it on the stage. So present yourself in a best way that you can do and use all the opportunities. Uh, one or the other day you'll surely represent the college at inter-college levels or inter-college competitions or in the university level. And the first thing, those 5 days when we performed there was the best one. You get to see different students performing there, uh, and you will get a different level of experience actually. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. And try your best to go to such fest. And I must take this opportunity to thank all my lecturers. ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿಕ್ ಹೋಗುವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಎಂತ ಇದ್ರು ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಲೈಕ್ 10 days I had to miss the class. ಸೊ ಎಂತ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. And I must thank Sudarshan sir and Shwetambika ma'am too. They were so friendly and they are actually the ones who are trying their best to bring out the talents. And the management too. Everyone, I must thank everyone, the seniors, my lecturers, the management, everyone. And I take this opportunity to thank them. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Saritri. So you have heard her, how her first experience was. Now let us go to Atish, Mr. Atish, who has been passed out student and alumni for our college, and he had been to the same VTU Fest for 4 years, and he has seen Bhumika Kalasanga from the origin, I guess, from where it was started. So let us hear shortly about his experience in VCET, about all the cultural activities from that time till now. Atish, can you share some experiences?
Sure. Thank you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. And I think I'm audible to all. Yeah.
Yes.
Am I audible to all? Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Okay. My name is Atish, and I'm a 2018 passed out graduate from VCET, and I was in the mechanical department. Okay. To speak about the VTU Fest and also the other fest which we are getting the opportunity to participate in. Seriously, it was a great and wonderful experience for me because see, always see there will be in a college more than 2,000 students. Like when I was in the college, there were more than 2,000 students. So hardly around 25 to 30 students will get the opportunity to participate. So it was a great, I can say, like a pride and a proud moment for me to participate because if I have to speak about the VTU Fest, see, there are so many colleges which are registered under VTU. I can say it will be in a hundreds, more than 200 colleges will be there under VTU. So when you get an opportunity from your college to participate in a VTU Fest, and there will be more than 200 colleges participating in that competition. Seriously, it will be a very big moment, and for giving that opportunity to me to participate in there, I will be very thankful to college and. Not only the competition, you can go there, you can enjoy there, and at the same time, you should be serious about your competition also. Apart from that, you can enjoy a lot there. And these were the experiences I had because see, I had a great moments because from the first year I have participated in the VTU Fest till my last year, and when I went in my first year, like I had a lot of support from the senior staff also because they were too supportive for me during my first year, second year, and all. So I'll be very thankful to them also. And to speak about the supportive things, like I had got a lot of support from the college because not only from my department, from all the departments, and from the college too. During my time, the principal was going there, like he was too supportive. Like, see, as an artist, if you want to grow and if you want to participate in all the events, you need the backup and also the good support from the college. Only if you have the support, you'll have that confidence to participate in the VTU Fest and also to back some prizes. So during my studies, I got a lot of support from the college and also my department, and especially from my mechanical department. Uh, because ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಫೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನಾವು ಕಟ್ಟವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟವೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಲೈಕ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು. ಲೈಕ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಲೈಕ್ ಇವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ the support which I got from my department was very well, and I'll be really very thankful to them. And also, at last but not the least, possession sir ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ he was the main, ಲೈಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ he was main. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಂಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಈಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಅಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈವನ್ ಟು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ like I'll be very thankful to college, and also very thank you so much for the college giving me this opportunity. And also thank you so much for the staff now, and also to Bhavana to giving me a chance here to speak. So thank you so much.
Experiences of all the cultural activities or co-curricular activities in VCET.
Yeah, hello everyone. Thank you, Bhavana, for giving the opportunity. So, am I audible, right, for all? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Like introduction, like my name is Praful Licha, and I'm a passed out student at the Corona batch. And first of all, VCET ಇಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಬರೋದು ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈವನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನನ್ಗಂತೂ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇವನ್ ಅತೀಶ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ, ಅತೀಶ್ ನಂದು ಸೀನಿಯರ್, ಅಂಡ್ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ರೂ ಮೇಟ್, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮೇಕರ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೂ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅವರೊಂದು ಸ್ವಾಗಸ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ 25 + 30 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಸ್ವಾಗಸ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇರೆ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ML ಸರ್ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅವರಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇವನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ ನಾನು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅವಾಗ ಸಂದೀಪ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು HOD ಇದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರು. ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವನ್ ಅತೀಶ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರಿರುವಾಗ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರಹದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಲತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆವಿ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ರು ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಲೈಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತೆಕೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 o'clock 8 o'clock 9 o'clock ತನಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ತರ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಬೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವನ್ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ. ಇವನ್ ಅತೀಶ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ತರ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಯಾರು ಸಹ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತೇನಂತಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಗೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಭಾವನಾ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದ VCT. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you all for sharing your such a good experience with me. And yes, so now we have seen what are all these consequences or any consequence about the attendance issue or the permission to go there or the facilities, all are provided by our college. So I want to just to, as they all said, please grab all the opportunities what you get. These corona timings and all these years just taught me that any opportunity you get, take on with it. You never know when you will get past, I mean when it will just fly away. So just grab all the opportunities, show yourself, just present yourself. You'll get the confidence, also the enjoyment, and also lots of memory. Now I could not play those videos due to the net issue. I'm really sorry for that. I'll just post it in the group. I'll send to ma'am, and you have to see those things. We have enjoyed a lot those things, and even I have spent some time editing it. So I'll just forward it. Please enjoy those things. And all these Dharitri, Adish, and Praful, all they have, all our photos and videos are there in that. They have helped me. They have sent all those things. They have helped. They have guided me on those things. Thank you for all of you guys, and thank you for ma'am for giving this opportunity to give a presentation on cultural activity. For me, as Professor Anna said, cultural activities are really important for us. And apart from academics, if you want to enjoy your college life, for these 4 years, please enjoy your college life along with the academics. Don't just ignore them. You have to give 50-50 both the importance, and enjoy your college life, enjoy your academics, and be confident and grab all the opportunities. And I'm really sorry for the net issue and the inconvenience. I hope I'm approachable to you. Any queries, anything you want to ask, you can just DM me in Insta or in LinkedIn. Anything you missed today, if I have missed anything, you can just approach me. I'm very open to you. Or you can also, when if the college starts, we'll meet. We'll have long conversations. Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity. Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
First of all, I take
Yes,
this
ma'am.
opportunity to thank the proud alumni, that is Praful DJ from the Department of, he has graduated from the Department of Civil, and Atish from the Department of Mechanical. Thank you guys. You responded immediately on Bhavana's request and came here as the guest, as an invite, and shared your views with our students. Thanks a lot, Atish and Praful.
You're welcome.
It's my pleasure. Then, sorry for the inconvenience happened because of some technical issues. She was not able to play the videos. I will see to it that something can be done and those videos would be provided to you in short future. Okay, at this moment, I thank Bhavana who gave you a detailed picture on Bhumika Kala Sangha and explained how it is working and how you can enter into the world of cultural activities using Bhumika Kala Sangha. And by now you might have make a what she has made it very clear that it's a perfect platform for the overall development of your personality. Please grab the opportunities. See that you maintain a good balance between your academic and the cultural as well as the sports activities. So looking forward you guys in near future. I think we can end the session here. I thank Bhavana for accepting our invitation and preparing a good presentation to make our students aware of the different cultural activities happening here. I wish her many more successes in life. May God bless you. I think this is enough for today. With one more presentation and one more senior, let's meet tomorrow. I think we can end the session here. Thank you all. Let's end the session here. You can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. You can leave the session, okay?
Thank you.